All right, here we go. Um, let's do this. I'll write it all out and then I'll figure it out and then we'll be done. Ooh, that's different color. That's a horse of a different color. Okay. What do? Well, we take all of these. We take the area, or no. For X bar, for the big X bar, you take the areas times the little X bars, and you add them all together. So we're going to take 8.75 times 262.5 and add it. I'm just going to write it all down. So let's see. 8.75 times 262.5. And then shape 2 was the circle. Remember it was missing, so you have that negative there. 10 times 12.5, almost 12.6. And then we have 21.5 times 120 right there. And then 20.16 repeating times 60. And that's right there. Remember, we have to divide it by the sum of the areas. And then what I end up with, so 262.5, I'm just adding up all the areas, plus that negative area, careful with that. And I add it all up, and then divide it, and then I get my answer. And that equals about 13.87 inches, so there we go for that. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'll write it all down, and I'll plug it into my calculator. And except this time we're going to be using the Y bars. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Careful with the negatives. So that's X bar right there. And Y bar. I just noticed something. For shape 3 I messed up. Look at this. Whew, that was close. So for shape 3, it was not actually 6 inches. Shape 3 is this, and that's half of 15. It should be 7.5 inches. So, close one there. 7.5 inches. You got to be careful. I was just writing stuff down, and I noticed 6 times it should be 7.5. No, 7.5 times the area. Whoops. And so I take all of that, just careful with that 7.5 there, and I will plug it in and I'll get something hopefully that makes sense. Something that's less than 20. Maybe in the middle of 20, something close to like 9 something. That's my guess. No, maybe no more than that. 9, maybe 11. Somewhere close to 11. Over 10. Oh, I was wrong. It's 8.8, almost 9. First time I guessed it was right, or close to being right. About 8.81 inches. Now, why is that? Why did I get that? That's Y bar. This is why I was wrong the first time. We're missing that area. If this was full, then we'd have something over 10, right? Because from here to here is 20. So I was thinking, oh, there's a little bit of mass added to the top. So it'll shift the centroid upwards. However, there's also mass taken out from that circle, so it shifts it back downwards. And in fact, it shifts it more downwards than upwards. So we get roughly 9 inches. And there we go. Those are the answers. Hopefully it makes sense to you. Study that. You know, remember that it's the distance from the axes, not the just the regular small shape. Goodbye.